In column D, you can see date is not in order. It is arranged in according to record. I arrange date in oldest value to newest value. Activate cell D9. This is the oldest value in a table. When I click ascending order button, all related values and text to this date will move top of the table. Click at any cell of column D. You do not need to select all column. Just active any cell in a column. Click Data tab. In Sort and Filter group, these are sorting buttons. This button sort lowest to highest or oldest to newest. This button sort highest to lowest or newest to oldest. Click Ascending Order button. Now you can see the date in column D is in ascending order. All data related to dates are changed. This is month June, this is month July, this is month August, this is month September, this is month October, this is month November. When you sort any column, the sort icon will appear on the filter button. In this way, you can sort the data in an Excel worksheet.